Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit crypto into a wallet. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your funds arrive safely. First, you'll learn about different wallet types and how to find your specific deposit address. Then, we'll discuss the critical importance of selecting the correct network. Finally, we'll walk through initiating and verifying your deposit. To begin, open your cryptocurrency exchange or personal wallet application. Look for a section labeled Deposit or Receive. Once there, choose the exact cryptocurrency you intend to deposit, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. The system will then generate a unique alphanumeric address. This is your specific deposit address, which you'll need to copy carefully. Selecting the correct network is absolutely crucial. The network you send from must match the network of your receiving wallet. For example, if you're sending an ERC20 token, your receiving address must also be on the ERC20 network. Sending funds on an incompatible network, such as BEP20 versus ERC20, will likely result in permanent loss of your assets. Always confirm this step. Now go to your sending wallet or exchange and paste the copied deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Before confirming, meticulously review all transaction details, including the address, amount, and network. Once you're certain everything is correct, confirm the transaction. You can then monitor its status on the blockchain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.